Hello again, my friend. Welcome back to the Gentle English Podcast. This is day 7, the final day of our 7-day English listening journey. If you are here today, it means you stayed with me all the way. You gave yourself the gift of time. You built confidence. You practiced discipline. You learned patience. You developed focus. And you discovered the power of consistency. That is already a big achievement. You should feel proud of yourself. Today, we will talk about something even deeper, something that gives meaning to everything you do, something that keeps you strong even when the road is difficult. That is purpose. Purpose is your why. It is the reason behind your actions. Without purpose, it is easy to stop. With purpose, you can keep going, no matter what. Purpose gives you direction, like a compass. Purpose gives you energy, like fuel for your journey. Pause here for a moment. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it for my studies, for my career, for travel, for making friends around the world, for understanding books, movies, or music? Or is it for something even greater, like connecting with people in a deeper way? There is no wrong answer, but knowing your purpose gives you strength. Think of a runner. If the runner does not know why they are running, they will stop when they feel tired. But if the runner knows there is a finish line, a goal, a reason, they keep moving even when their legs hurt. That is the power of purpose. Now let us connect this to your English learning. If your only thought is, I must learn English, it may feel heavy. But if your thought is, I want to speak with my children in English, or I want to travel confidently, or I want to get a better job, or I want to grow as a person, then every step feels meaningful. Purpose transforms hard work into joyful work. Pause and reflect again. What is your personal purpose for learning English? Close your eyes and say it quietly to yourself. I am learning English because... Fill in your own reason. Feel it in your heart. Here is something important to understand. Your purpose can change as you grow. At first, maybe your purpose is school. Later, maybe it becomes work. Later, maybe it becomes connection with people. That is natural. The important thing is to always remember why you started and why you continue. Let me share a story. A woman once began learning English because she wanted to pass an exam. That was her purpose. She studied hard and passed, but after that, she felt empty and stopped practicing. Later, she realized her deeper purpose was to communicate with people around the world. When she discovered that purpose, she returned to English with joy. This time, she did not stop. Purpose makes the difference between short success and long success. Now, let us bring this lesson back to you. Ask yourself, how will English help my life? How will English help the people I love? How will English open new doors for me? When you answer these questions, you find your purpose. And once you know it, you will not give up easily. There is a quote from Friedrich Nietzsche that says, "He who has a why to live can bear almost any how." It means if you have a strong purpose, you can overcome any difficulty. Let us pause again. Imagine yourself 2 years from now. You are speaking English with confidence. You are achieving your goals. You are smiling because you know why you worked so hard. You know your purpose carried you here. Now, my friend, let us finish this journey with a promise. Say it with me clearly. I know my purpose. I learn English for a reason. My purpose will guide me. My purpose will give me strength. My purpose will help me succeed. Say it again with more feeling. I have a purpose. I will not stop. I will grow. I will succeed. Thank you for listening to the Gentle English Podcast. This was day 7 of your 7-day journey. You have walked with me through time, confidence, discipline, patience, focus, consistency, and purpose. Each lesson is a tool you can carry with you. Each lesson is a step toward your brighter future. But remember, this is not the end. This is only the beginning. The journey of English learning is a long road, and now you are stronger, wiser, and ready to continue. Goodbye for now, and remember this: purpose gives meaning to your learning. With time, confidence, discipline, patience, focus, and consistency, your purpose will carry you forward. And with purpose in your heart, nothing can stop you.